Hello friends, welcome back to the Pharmabeej. In this video, we are going to learn how to remember all 14 ICH guidelines in one sentence only. Here I have chosen one sentence for you to remember all 14 guidelines. Most of the people having issue related to which guideline comes first, which guideline comes second. To avoid this kind of issues, I am going to share with you a shortcut trick which is in Hindi that you can remember all ICH guidelines in one sentence only. In this video, first we will see all 14 ICH guidelines, and then according to their first names we will see short trick that we can remember lifetime which is in Hindi. Before that, I want to tell you we have covered question and answer series which is related to quality control department. All question and answer we have covered in a question and answer series. If you have not seen those videos, you can check our description or you can see playlist of the YouTube channel. Okay. Without delay, let's get start with this video. Here, first guideline is stability. Second guideline is analytical validation. Third guideline is impurity. Fourth guideline is pharmacopoeia. Fifth guideline is quality of biotechnological products. Sixth guideline is specification. Seventh guideline is current good manufacturing practices, that is CGMP. Eighth guideline is pharmaceutical development. Ninth guideline is quality risk management, which is important. 10th guideline is pharmaceutical quality system. 11th guideline is development and manufacturing of drug substance. 12th guideline is life cycle management. 13th guideline is continuous manufacturing of drug substance and drug product. 14th guideline is analytical procedure development. So these all are 14 ICH guidelines. So to remember these guidelines, we can use one shortcut trick. The shortcut trick we are going to share with you. Before that, just check all the guidelines and initials of the guidelines. What are those are there? Okay, now I will share shortcut trick. Just remember it. I made this shortcut trick on the life of God Sai. What problem he faced and what he has done in his life, I covered in this shortcut trick. Just see once. SAI साई के लाइफ पर काफ़ी समस्याएं गुजरी, पर उन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मानी। परेशान लोगों की मदद की, दवा ढूंढी और बना के उन्होंने लोगों की लाइफ बचाई, कंटिन्यूस मदद की और दवा बनाई, अंत में वे गॉड बने। नाउ वी विल डिकोड दिस शॉर्टकट ट्रिक। SAI, these are three initial guidelines: stability, analytical method development and impurity. P is a pharmacopoeia. Q for quality of biotechnology products. S for specification. G for good manufacturing practices. P for pharmaceutical development. Q for quality risk management. P for pharmaceutical quality system. D for drug development and manufacturing of drug substance. L for life cycle management. C for continuous manufacturing of drug substance and drug product. And last is A for analytical procedure development. Again, I want to go in somewhat deep, and from Q to A, again I will tell you some short tricks. In this Q means कभी हार नहीं मानी, means he is ready to take a risk, that means quality risk management. Then Sai decided to help people, so he made one quality system, that means परेशान लोगों की मदद की मीन्स ही मेड अ सिस्टम. देन ही डिसाइडेड टू डेवलप अ ड्रग मीन्स दवा ढूंढी, डेवलप ड्रग एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ अ ड्रग सब्सटेंस मीन्स उन्होंने दवा बनाई, दवा बना के उन्होंने लोगों की लाइफ बचाई. लोगों की लाइफ बचाई मीन्स लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट. सी और कंटिन्यूस मदद की और दवा बनाई. दैट मीन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, कंटिन्यूस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ ड्रग सब्सटेंस एंड अ ड्रग प्रोडक्ट. देन लास्ट इज ए फॉर एनालिटिकल प्रोसेस डेवलपमेंट. देन लास्ट ही मेड वन प्रोसीजर. दैट मीन्स अंत में वे गॉड बने. ही मेड प्रोसीजर. I hope friends you like this shortcut trick and lifetime you will remember this trick. Thanks for watching this video. In next video we will cover some other topic, maybe question and answer series we will continue for remaining instruments. So thanks for watching this video friends and have a good day.